All right, Cricut users, you guys are going to love this one. So you're always asking, I wish I could do rhinestones with the Cricut. I'm going to show you with the Cricut Joy. So I'm using my Magic Flock template material. That's the blue material here. I peeled it off of its carrier sheet and applied it directly to my cutting mat. That way, when I cut the circles at the cardstock setting, it cuts through to the mat. When I pull it up, the circles weed out perfectly. Now, this is a 3-color design here that I'm using. I just brought the SVG file from the rhinestoneworld.com website directly into Design Space. Once it's cut, I'm going to use my TRW diamond cut stones. I just brushed in the crystal stones. I'm using my parchment paper trick that you guys see me use with vinyl on rhinestones as well, which is pretty freaking awesome. Once we get our 3 colors done, my Cricut EasyPress 320, 15 seconds, and I have a complete custom Let's Get Lit face mask. Comment with any questions. Thanks for watching.